want to thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, this is Texas Rib Shack. I'm Master Chef Wayne. What I'm going to show you today, knock on Formica, I'm going to show you how to make some damn good ribs. The best ribs you've ever put in your mouth. I'm from down south. We don't play games. We don't lie. Let me make her a rib dinner real quick. Here it comes. Let me show you something. I ain't through yet. Let me show you something. This is what's really important right here. The texture of the rib is really important. We can do it wet, we can do it dry, but look, I'm gonna show you something on this. Now this is dull on purpose, but what I like to do is just show that meat. You know, you look at that meat, just come off the bone. Just come off the bone, you know what I mean? That's how you want it. Very, very fortunate to get this kind of barbecue in Arizona, because they actually don't sell this. This is the only place you can get this barbecue. It's 35th and Dunlap here in Phoenix, Arizona. And let me tell you something. If you want to have that explosive taste, that southern, oh my God. What's that song we be singing sometime, Herb? We had wrote that song just for the barbecue. Something about feelings. And it was like, feel, I can't think of it. And you was hitting it too, you was hitting that note. It goes, what's that, is it Into You, In Touch? It says something like, how that look? And look, let me show you what costs $10. That's just $10. She do all beans, red bean, potato salad. That's just amazing for $10. Thank you, dear heart. And I'll see you mañana. Yeah, I'm tomorrow. Tell me I'll see you tomorrow.
Next week.
Oh, next week. Okay. Folks, look. Long story short. Tune in mañana. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna give it away, because it's going to require a little work from you. You're going to actually have to tune in. But I'm going to show you, from start to finish, how to make the best damn ribs that a person can make. Literally. Oh, I'm Master Chef Wayne, Grill Master. Let me know something. 252-375-6951. Call me. 252-375-6951. Super Bowl coming up. Forget about some wings. Everybody's doing wings. How about some damn ribs? Some tangy ribs, some sweet and sour ribs, some baby back glazed, honey glazed pork ribs. I mean, you name it, we can do it. Forget about chicken wings. Let's cook some of this pig, you dig? Thank you.
I'm prejudiced, the petty motherfuckers that speak, they delicate, trying to make a name in the game. A better man wanting to see the king, but they ain't on my level yet.